We're doing now Be'ez Hashem Yisbarach, Pesach Pesachim, Daf Tez Vav Amud Beis. Ha'oichel Terumas Chometz BePesach, Shoig Mishalem Kena V'Chomish, Mezid Potem Et Tashlumim Me'etz. If he does it b'shoigig, he pays Kena V'Chomish. Mezid doesn't pay anything, so it's not worth anything. But shoigig is a different din. Because shoigig, the din that he has to pay back something that turns into truma, and has nothing to do with the value. It just has to do you ate one sa'ah of truma. You have to give back the sa'ah of truma. So how does this? He says trumas chametz. What happened here? He explains. We're talking about on Pesach. He baked. He had a dough that was still tevel. Didn't have truma, and then he separated matzah, and then it became chametz. So it's chal Hashem truma, and then somebody came along and ate it. The czar ate it. So we're talking here that the person, the shas of Rasha was still good. The Rasha's truma was good. And then he ate it up, so he pays a keren v'chomish. Al mefirisha chametz, if he separated, it was already chametz. The first is not klal, it's not chal, it's nothing. Hivish matzah chametz. How about different case? You have a bread that became chametz, dough, and then you take matzah to say this should be truma on that. Does it chal? Can you do such a thing? So the Gemara, or the eater called truma she'ena materes she'shirayim lachila ena truma. No. Since nothing happened to this chometz, because it can still not eat it because it's chometz, so it's not chalda for Rasha. It doesn't have a shem truma, the piece that is separated for truma. So we might ask another question. If it's chometz on matzah, how about if you separated chometz on matzah? If it's good, if it happens, if Afrosh is chal. Since chometz al chometz in the truma, so since Afrosh cannot help for itself, how can it help for something else? Interesting type of swara. Since it cannot help of aminei bay because it's not matter shilayim lachila, doesn't help. So we know that the shia of challah, now we're going to go over, instead of truma, we talk about the din of challah. You know you have to be mafish challah from a isa, and the shia is chameshes revam kemach. 5 quarters of a kav. That's a kav and a quarter. So the question is like this. He made a dough of 1 kav, that's potem and a challah, and he waited till it became chometz. Then he took babas revam pnei asmon, v'chimtza. Then he mixed them together. So he was saying, since it became chometz before it turned into a din of tavel, because it only becomes tavel when he mixes both of these doughs together. That's when it becomes tavel. So, in like from oichel chometz. Pesach like it. Is a kal, chal is a chal. Can't be chal is a kal and is a chal. Means it's only the issa of chametz. There's no issa of tevel. If first he made a huge dough and then it became chametz, in his when tevel like it, then whatever you master him is like it. Pesach. Like it. Why? Because it's a chal, it's a kal. Chometz can be chal on tevel. Okay. Also, kri Oh, this is already Tezain, so we'll stop here.